So I'm going to show you how to set your makeup. The best way, the professional way, and a way that will make it last all day. Now, if you've applied foundation and a lot of it, you don't want to do this. The reason being is because if you've applied a full coverage foundation, there's a chance it's still wet, and sweeping a brush across the skin is going to move it. And you don't want to do this either, because that's just crazy and that's not how you do it. Instead, this is it. Take your powder puff. Next, take your loose powder and press it in. Now, in the palm of your hand, push it until no product exists. Every bit now is in the sponge. Here's what you do. Push it into the skin and roll it. Press and roll like you're giving a fingerprint. This technique will lock and seal your foundation all day long. It really is that simple. If you think you need more, add more. But don't forget to press. Push and roll. Gently, methodically, and beautifully. And now your foundation won't go anywhere. And here's a quick tip. After you've done that, if you find that there's a little too much foundation on your skin, that's fine. Take a brush, sweep it gently across the skin. Nothing will get disturbed now because you set your makeup, and it'll bring back a more natural texture. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.